Okay, so this video we're going to be walking along some of this construction. So yeah, this whole little area here, I'm going to definitely tell you more about it. And this is kind of this little, I guess it's kind of like inner harbor, I think they call it. Oh, there's a boat coming through right now. But the other day I was on a boat and I was able to go through that, and I was able to take some video footage of that. They call these boats too. I had quite a bit of boat footage. I might show a little bit of that too. So we'll probably go into a little bit of that at the beginning, and then I'm going to walk through this construction and kind of comment about it.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so I hope you like seeing that footage. I showed some ships, you know, some different, not the same time of day because it was a different time, right? But then, and I was also able to show a little bit of footage of all these cranes that are all the way along here. And today what I'm going to do is walk along it and just kind of tell you what's going on a little bit. So, for one, there's a lot of cranes. You can see the Lisboa casino way over in the distance, Macau Tower over there. For one, there's also a lot of construction on the other side too. So you can see all the cranes up in the air over here. There's like, the skyline's kind of littered with them. Some of them over there, but a lot over here. Almost all these buildings have it over here. This whole Hingchin Island is filled with them. That's a whole other video in itself, but that's basically, that's all being developed, and they're gonna, according to the news in English, they're gonna create that for Macau people, you know, for for the future of China being connected with Macau, or Macau being connected with China rather. But in this area, there's all these cranes as well, and a bunch of scaffolding right there, and more cranes. But this whole area, this is going to be completely redeveloped. I don't know what it's going to look like in the future. I guess that's a construction thing. But basically what they're doing is they have a light rail train line that's on the Taipa side now already. It connects a bunch of the casinos with the immigration points, like the ferry terminal, the airport, crossing into mainland China. And so this area is like, it's going to be an extension of that for one, that being the light rail train. So the light rail train station will also be here. I heard originally this was going to be just another stop, and they're going to keep moving all the way to the border to bring in other tourists from the Macau side, but I think they're going to try to move most of it coming into the Taipa side instead in the future, is my understanding anyways. So this whole area is going to be something totally new in the future. So it'll be quite interesting to see what happens with that. And based on the construction, yeah, I don't know. We'll see what it's all going to be about. Kind of want to check. I don't know if I can see over there or not, but I just kind of stuck my camera over there just to see what you can see. I won't be able to see that until later. Kind of curious myself though, but they're building something. It's going to probably be pretty massive. I think I could get a good view over that way anyways. So just kind of try to view like that. Okay, so we're going to keep going a little bit further. There's the Macau Tower. So whatever's being built, it'll really change this area into something quite a bit different. I'm kind of looking forward to seeing it. I'm just kind of imagining. There's a bridge right there, so that's where the light rail system is going to go under that bridge or on top of it or something. I don't know how they're connecting that. I think they're building the station first, and then they're going to connect the that line into this one. Yeah, it could really change this whole area, because once you get here, I guess you'll be able to walk right into the Amma Temple at Barra and just keep on going. And I heard originally the train line was going to go all the way up, but I heard that they just stopped it, so I don't know don't know what's true or false, to be honest. And that's a really beautiful area over there too. A lot of money is on that side, that big mountain with beautiful homes up there. Yeah, and here's all this construction of this one. So I'll probably just get up here a little bit and then I'll try to film and see what we can see. And I could just keep walking. And actually, looks like there's an entrance right there, so I might. Yeah, all this will be completely different. As you can see, this used to be a road right here, but that's blocked and all under construction now. And they're moving traffic over in this other area over here. So yeah, I don't know. Let's go a little bit further. I just kind of want to see what that opening is before we end this video. Yeah, it's kind of good for me to record this. I kind of think of myself as documenting things in time, right? So then this is what it looks like in May 2nd, 2021, but it'll be completely different in 2025 and 2023, even much sooner. Let's just see. Just closes right here. So I think we'll. I can't even get my camera up that high. I don't think. I can get it right there though. So anyways, you kind of get a little bit of a view of something. And I guess we'll just end it right there. So that's enough for this one. So hope you like this one of filming this construction area.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.